move now. When I say get down, I want everybody to get down. Okay, here we go now. Here we go. Now get down.